To post a listing, you must be signed in to your user account. Then click Create Listing from the top site menu. Then select Create a Seller Listing. This takes you to a list of products and services that HitchPin currently supports to sell. We are always working on expanding the categories. If you find that a product or service you would like to utilize isn't listed, please contact us. After selecting your desired product or service to sell from our list of categories and subcategories, you will be directed to our Terms and Conditions page. Please read over and select I agree at the bottom of the page. Click Next. Then enter the details of the product or service you would like to sell. After completing, you will be directed to the pricing page. Here you can choose how you would like to price your product or service, if you will provide delivery, if applicable, and what % you would like to require for upfront payment. This is also where you will type in a coupon code, if you have one, to affiliate with this listing. You will then be prompted to type in the subtitle of your item and description. The title of your listing will be automatically generated based on your category and subcategory selections. If you would like to adjust your selections, you can return back to the previous pages to select the right options for your listing. At any time during this process and after it is published, you can always edit your listing if you are not satisfied with the way it displays once published. Enter the subtitle and the description for your listing. Providing as much detail as possible here to anticipate potential questions from buyers will help your listing stand out. Then click Next. Upload images for your listing. At least one image is required. You can add up to 10 images to promote your listing. You can always come back and edit your post to include more images once published. Click Next. Upload any optional videos you have. Choose Next. Upload any optional attachments you have. This may include registration papers, nutrition information, or other documents. Choose Next. Choose how you would prefer to be paid. You can set up a direct deposit by choosing this option and then selecting an account you have already connected or connecting a new one. You will need your routing and account number as well as an image of a voided check. You may also select Mail me a check. Finally, save a draft of your listing if you need to come back later to add more information, or publish your listing. If there are red boxes along the top of your screen, this indicates you are missing required information and will not be able to publish your listing until completing these steps. To go to the screen that requires additional details, click the red box. If you need to save your information and come back later to complete your listing, choose to save it as a draft. Once you have published, you can now view your listing.